How are we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes in Leeds. Today we've got for sale this gorgeous Honda CRF1000 Africa Twin. Cracking bikes are these. This one's a DCT as well. It's 2017 on a 17 plate. Only done 4,458 miles, but it looks like it's been polished more than it's been ridden. Super, super clean bike. I'll just come out with it, cameraman there. So with the DCT, obviously it is automatic. You can shift it around in gears yourself with your hands, but you've literally just got your back brake down there. ABS and traction control. As you can see, it's got LED lights and the daytime running lights in the indicators. It's got handguards as well. Little digital speedo. Just a good all-round bike of these. Real popular seller at the moment. But yeah, hardly any miles at all. It's got a centre stand. Looks fantastic in red as well. Probably one of the best selling colours they do. Mega nice, clean, low mileage bike. Anyway, let's give it a quick start up for you. And there you have it. These are selling like hotcakes at the minute, so if you want this one, get your name on it. All you need to do, pop yourself down at Jordan Bike or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.